Boldo has traditionally been used to treat hangovers, gout, stomachache, and urogenital inflammation. Initial research has revealed several promising medical uses for the plant. The Boldo leaves have the capability to increase the production of bile in the liver, and this results in reducing gallstones in the gallbladder before they can create serious problems. The rise in the production of bile helps in emptying the gallbladder more often, thus ensuring regular elimination of gallstones. Antioxidants that are present in the leaves activate the production of bile, and this facilitates in the breakdown of nutrients. The antispasmodic quality of the Boldo helps to calm bowel cramps, and it also works as a moderate laxative, thus reducing the symptoms of constipation. The extract of the Boldo leaves is known to reduce the symptoms of a stomach upset, and it can also be used to boost the appetite. A tea prepared from the fresh twigs of the Boldo energizes the release of digestive bile from the liver, and this has several essential functions. The main function of the bile is to facilitate in the removal of waste and toxins from the body through the liver. Research has proven the Boldo leaf helps to safeguard the liver cells, and it also helps to confine the free radical cell damage. The anti-inflammatory activity of the Boldo also decreases liver inflammation, facilitating better healing and functioning of the liver. The Boldo tea supports the body's immune system in several ways. The leaves consist of different types of natural antimicrobial and antibacterial agents, which help in improving the defense mechanism of the body by decreasing the existence of infection-causing agents. Its anti-inflammatory abilities help to relieve excess inflammation in any part of the body, and this further improves the body's defense mechanisms against the inflammation-causing pathogens. The antioxidants restrict the cell damage from the free radicals to a minimum, and thus this makes it less prone to infection. The volatile oil in the Boldo leaves consists of P-cyamine, and this is a laxative agent. The Boldo leaves are said to display antipyretic activity, and this can help to suppress a fever. The Boldo leaves are rich in phytochemicals, including limonene, camphor, boldine, coumarin, and beta-pinene. These phytochemicals provide the body with the capacity to fight free radicals and to prevent the onset of several infections and diseases. These naturally occurring compounds reduce damage to the DNA and the cells. The Boldo leaves are said to have strong antibacterial and antiseptic properties, so drinking the Boldo leaf tea can make the immune system resistant to a number of infectious agents. Due to the antibacterial property, the Boldo leaves were used to treat syphilis and gonorrhea. Taking the Boldo leaf tea is a natural way to treat urinary tract infections. The use of the Boldo for the urinary tract infections dates back to the Inca civilization. One of the purported health benefits of the Boldo leaf tea is its ability to get rid of intestinal parasites due to the presence of volatile oils in the leaf. The volatile oil content accounts for 2 to 4% of the leaf. This volatile oil consists of 16 to 38% ascaridole, an organic compound that's supposed to have anti-helmintic or antiparasitic properties. Boldo is officially listed as a phytotherapeutic plant, as a cholagogue and a choleretic for the treatment of mild dyspepsia in the Brazilian pharmacopoeia. The Boldo leaves have been used by the South American natives against diseases of the liver and for the treatment of gallstones. The leaves have also been used for worms, urogenital inflammation, gout, rheumatism, head colds, and earaches. It was long recognized in South America as a cure for gonorrhea. It's often combined with Berberis vulgaris for the treatment of gallstones. The plant is taken internally for the treatment of liver disease, gallstones, urinary tract infections, intestinal parasites, and rheumatism. It was used in the past as a substitute for quinine in the treatment of malaria. The alkaloids contained in the bark are a stimulant for the liver. The Boldo encourages the secretion of saliva and it increases the appetite. It was combined with barberry and fringe to treat gallstones. In Chile, it was used to cure earaches, urogenital inflammation, and venereal disease. In Ayurvedic medicine, it's helped to benefit the liver, to help treat bloating, urinary tract infections, and gallstones. It was also used in Ayurvedic medicine for cholecystitis, stomach disorders, rheumatic pain, and hepatitis. It was also used for the treatment of neuralgia and as a nervous sedative. 2 grams of dried Boldo leaves were placed in hot water to make a tea, and it was suggested to take this 15 minutes before each meal. Boldo was also available as capsules, as a dry extract. It could be used as a compress, prepared with about 20 grams of the dried leaves in hot water. In the form of poultices and plasters, spraying the dry leaves and adding hot water to make a paste was used, and then it was applied to the affected area. The leaves are used in a similar manner to bay leaves, and they're also used in herbal tea. The Boldo extract is used as a flavouring for alcoholic beverages. The leaves and the bark were also used as a condiment, and the fruit is edible. Boldo essential oil should not be used internally or externally. Patients with kidney disorders, liver diseases, gallstones, and other illnesses should not use the herb without medical supervision. Large doses may cause paralysis and even death. Excessive doses have caused irritation of the kidneys and the genito-urinary tract. The plant should not be used by pregnant or breastfeeding women. The leaf powder may cause sneezing. People who are using blood thinning medicine should not consume Boldo. People who suffer from thrombocytopenia or hemophilia should not consume Boldo. To learn more about herbs, supplements, and natural treatment plans, check out my website.